Hey kids, welcome to KBD Toys TV. Today we're going to be unboxing 9 surprise eggs. First up is a Hello Kitty chocolate egg. Let's open this up and see what's inside. It looks like this Hello Kitty is going shopping. All right, let's move on to egg number 2, an Angry Bird surprise egg. Should we open it up? And he says yes. And I know Hobby Kids TV want to get their hands on a couple of these eggs. We have some Angry Bird candy. And a Blackbird. It looks like Blackbird wants to blow up some piggies. And look how many more we have to collect. And stickers. And we got a Blackbird sticker to add to our collection. All right. Moving on to egg number 3. It looks like we have a Minnie Mouse egg to open up next. Looks like we're going to have to put this Minnie together. Let's start with Minnie's head, then her feet, then her bows. Uh-oh, she's missing her eyes. Oh, there they are. They're on some stickers. Okay, Minnie, let's give you some eyes. Hey, now she can see. Egg number 4 is going to be a princess egg. Look at all the pretty princesses we can collect. And we found ourselves an Ariel from The Little Mermaid. Okay, boys and girls, let's move on to egg number 5, a Mickey Mouse and Company Christmas surprise egg. What do you think it is, boys and girls? It looks like Santa Claus. No, it's not. It's Pete. I think Pete's round enough to play Santa Claus. Hey, Pete, go down to the mall and play Santa. All right, boys and girls, we're off onto egg number 6. It's a Smurfs Candy Collection mushroom. Uh-oh, how did an Angry Birds flyer get in there? Looks like we got the right sticker. And some Smurf candy. What else did we get? Oh, it looks like it's Smurfette. And it's time to open up egg number 7. This is a Kinder Surprise Barbie Limited Edition. Hey kids, what kind of surprise do you think we're going to get in this egg? It looks like some kind of puzzle. Oh, it's mix art. Ah, it's a spiral graph. All right, kids, let's put this together and give it a try. Throw it together and see what happens. Oh man, that looks cool! Alright kids, let's open up egg number 8, a Phineas and Ferb surprise egg. I can't wait to collect all 8 of these awesome characters. Hey kids, check it out! It's Professor Doofenshmirtz! I think he's looking for Perry the Platypus. I think he's over there, buddy. Go get him! It's time to open our last and final egg, egg number 9. And it looks like it's a Winnie the Pooh Christmas surprise egg. These eggs are really cool because they have chocolate on one side and white chocolate on the other. Check it out. Check out all these awesome characters you can hang on your Christmas tree. And it's a Christmas heffalump. Okay everybody, let's all gather together for a really cool ending photo. That looks awesome! Thanks for watching KBD Toys TV. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and rate, and check out these other awesome videos from KBD Toys TV. Bye guys!